What's up, guys? It's Aztec with T, and today I'm doing a video of Maisie. I know I shouldn't, I know it's kind of weird video, but so I'll show you my dog. She's very playful, very cute, and she's got really sharp claws. She's about to say 3 months old. She's very big. She's a huge dog. She's a bull mastiff, cross Labrador. She likes chewing stuff and biting stuff and running away with it. She can get annoying at times.
Actually, she's more than 3 months old.
And she's the same. So yeah, and that's our dog. She can jump pretty high. See, she's really funny. She can be stupid and dumb sometimes. She's so soft, good doggy. Yeah. And thanks guys for watching. That's just a video.
Oh my god, Maddie. I want you to go.
So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe,
Help me.
and I'll see you guys later.
Help.